As we bring this series of videos to a close, there are a few last pieces of advice I want to provide. First, we've covered a lot of different topics. While I hope that you've gotten a lot of useful information and tips, I realize that we've only scratched the surface, and there's still a lot to learn about making a great screencast. Through my experience though, I've learned that one of the best things I can do to get better with video is to practice. It's great to have all the knowledge and tips memorized, but it's through the application and practice of making a screencast that you'll get better. And you don't have to go out and make your next screencast the best one ever. What you should try to do is make the next one the best one you've ever made, which you can do by incrementing your abilities, even by making it 1% better. With a little bit of time, you'll quickly be 100% better. Next, make the video that is the best video for your audience and your goal. It's easy to look at other videos and get caught up on trying to make your video like someone else's. Don't worry if yours doesn't look as good or have the same fancy animations or graphics. Worry more about making a video that will serve its purpose well and fit the needs of your audience and company. Finally, thanks for being part of the TechSmith Academy. I hope that you find value and utility in the courses and that they help you on your way to making more effective and better videos. And before you stop the video, one last reminder. Make sure you check out the other courses in the TechSmith Academy. And if you're interested in any of TechSmith's fantastic products, made by fantastic people, check out our full offering at techsmith.com.